Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to export files and share them with the world and all the different ways you can do that. Alright, so let's get started. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. It's pretty similar for both characters and custom creations. So basically there's two main ways of doing it. So the first way is if you're in the list, either the custom creator list or the character list, you can press the three dots, which brings up a menu. If you didn't know, it brings up a menu of options for each type of whatever you're pressing. So you can see one of the options there is the export file. So if you press that, that's going to bring up the activity, document Apple exporter. So this is the main window where you can export to messages, email, and you can see all the different videos that we made about how to import it from there, but this is basically how you export it. So first method, using the three dot method, and then it's going to bring it here. You can save it to files, you can save it to messages, email it, add it to notes, add it to Drive, or you can just add it to Discord and share it with the community. That's another option. Just note that if you're doing it for Discord, you probably have to turn it on, because I think it's off by default originally. So just make sure you turn that on. It's not going to appear in your list to begin with. That's the first option. You press the three dots, it brings up the menu, and then you can try that. The other option is if you're actually looking at a character. So this is the new interface. You want to open up the tray and then export file option. So that's going to bring up the same window, and you're going to be able to do the same things. Also, another thing is AirDrop works as well. So if you have an iPad and an iPhone, or if you have two iPhones near each other, you can also AirDrop things to those devices, or even a computer. That's actually really useful. I really like that method the most. So if you're on the old sheet, it's going to be in a similar spot. You're going to see the menu options in the top right. It's going to have export file, and then you're going to be able to do all the same things. So you can either press the three dot button in the list of everything, and that will bring up the same options. Press export file, and then you're all done. Or if you're inside of a sheet or a custom creation looking at the details, you can press the top right menu options to do the same thing and export file, and it's going to bring up that window where it gives you all the options on where you want to send it. There's also a couple other batch options. So if you want to send a lot of things, you have a couple of options there. So if you want to export your entire app, you can go to the settings and then scroll to the bottom, and you can do export all, which gets everything, all your characters, all your custom creations, and it puts it into a file. So let's say you're moving to a new device, you're getting the iPhone 11 or whatever when that comes out. You can use this option to save everything, or you can use that as a backup, just in case you are working with me on the beta, that sort of thing, and I do something wrong. Heaven forbid. That is how you would export everything in the app. There's also an option to export all your custom creations. So let's say you wanted to share just a race or a couple of subclasses with someone. You can go ahead and go down and select batch, and that would bring up basically a list of all of your items, and then you can check the ones that you want to export, or you can press the top one to just select the whole list. So that's your two batch options. So that is how you export files out of PrismScroll. This is a longer video, so I'm going to probably put a bunch of just timestamps on when things are relevant. So thanks for watching. Make sure to reach out on the Discord channel if you have any questions, and we hope to see you there. Thank you.